Despite its compact body, the Iris Deltrac 5.3 still performs with incredible precision. With a vertical rotating grinding head design, the machine helps to process roots quickly without creating dust and limiting fragments. The machine operates stably, saves time, and significantly reduces manual labor. With a powerful torque from the conical splitter, the machine easily handles large tree stumps in a short time. No human effort, no time wasted. This machine is a testament to the power of technology and precision in modern labor. Under the pressure of the rushing water, every turn of the wheel was a life or death choice. But with steady hands and a steely spirit, the driver still steered the heavy log through the danger. LogMax 7000 XT is a machine that combines both automatic branch stripping and tree cutting. In just a few seconds, it processes each tree trunk with precision and impressive performance. This is the ideal solution for large-scale logging, particularly effective in complex and hard-to-reach forest terrain. When the car loses traction on the hill, reversing is the best way to regain momentum to climb the slope, and this is the moment when the calmness and composure of the driver are needed. With the mechanism of rotating the machine head vertically, the Ficon Stumpex accurately grinds tree stumps from the center outwards. The operation process of the machine does not cause flying debris, nor does it disturb the surrounding soil. The machine runs smoothly and safely, making it suitable for both urban environments and timber production forests. This is the method of relocating a 100-year-old oak tree, a living symbol of League City. Each block of soil surrounding its roots is preserved, and every movement of the machinery is executed with caution. It is not merely a technical procedure, but also an act of respect for an entity that has lived alongside the city for a century. Driving a vehicle uphill has never been a simple task, especially with a ton of wood behind. This is not merely a test of the engine, but a true challenge for the person behind the wheel. Only through the driver's calm composure and precise control can the car safely go uphill. The STIHL MS-881 is not just a chainsaw, it is a true wood destruction machine. With a 67-inch guide bar and power up to 8.7 horsepower, the saw dives into massive logs as if tearing a loaf of bread in half. Sawdust sprays in every direction. The scent of fresh timber fills the air, a performance that keeps the audience captivated. Like a giant steel claw, the sharp saw blade digs deep into the stump, locking onto the roots buried below. Chunks of earth begin to fall, dust swirling chaotically as the machine slowly lifts the whole stump along with its surrounding earth. Not only powerful, this machine is also intricately designed, teasing each tangled root free as if it were as light as a feather. Hauling timber over the forest's treacherous slopes isn't easy, but with calm nerves and experience, the driver guides the truck with precision every step of the way. Every turn of the wheel is calculated carefully, ensuring that the logs safely overcome all challenges. It is a perfect combination of the power of machinery and the resilience of humans. The Seco machine is not just a tool, but also a valuable assistant that helps people in wood extraction work. With its sharp saw blade spinning at high speed, it slices through stumps quickly and precisely. This capability not only increases productivity, but also ensures maximum safety for the operator. Thanks to that, heavy work becomes lighter and more efficient than ever before. The TigerCat 635E is like a forest workhorse, strong and durable, ready to tackle any challenge. Its modern hydraulic system and solid design let it move smoothly and pull heavy logs with ease. This is a symbol of the combination of advanced technology and human expertise in the forestry industry. No need for modern machinery. A saw and an axe are still sufficient to handle large logs when used properly. The collaboration between two people yields significant results in splitting wood using manual methods. Driving a long wooden truck through a narrow turn is not a job for the inexperienced. Each precise steering move demonstrates the driver's skill and composure. This is a skill honed over the years on treacherous roads. Wow! The Scania truck is coming to the rescue like a hero in an action movie. With its mighty V8 engine roaring, it not only wows you with power, but also makes everyone stop to listen. This is a specialized tree planting machine, not just a mechanical device, but a steel arm that knows how to cherish life. It gently cradles the entire root ball and surrounding soil, as if embracing a piece of nature to deliver to a new home. This isn't the end of the life cycle, but the beginning of a new chapter. Transporting large volumes of timber on rugged forest roads is no small challenge. However, with calm focus and expert skill, the driver guides the vehicle past all obstacles safely and accurately. The SAWQU IP machine is not just a tool, but also a symbol of the combination of advanced technology and outstanding precision, with the ability to quickly cut tree trunks into logs. This carpenter uses a saw like a true master woodcutter. With expert technique, he has created extremely perfect cuts. This is a skill that only those with rich experience can achieve. Not just a cutter, the Kelfree Stegmatare is also a tool that transforms raw trees into ready-to-process material. From branch stripping to cutting trees into segments, every operation is carried out quickly and precisely. The Kelfree Stegmatare helps increase productivity and significantly reduces labor costs in the harvesting process. Steel 064 roars, we immediately know this is not an ordinary test. With its 105-centimeter long blade, the machine easily cuts through large logs as if they were just cardboard. The sound, the cutting force, the decisiveness, all create a powerful performance. Like a warrior in the deep forest, the MS-400C roars in the hands of the experienced craftsman. Each movement is a harmonious combination of machine power and calmness from practical experience, a moment full of power amidst nature.
Now y'all gonna ask, why did I push that thing through this?
The sound of the chainsaw roars, echoing through the dense forest, setting the scene for a job that requires absolute precision. The craftsman not only operates the machine, but also masters the entire situation. From lining up the cut and controlling the pressure to keeping a steady rhythm, all demonstrate the experience and spirit of a person who lives fully with the profession. TEG 904 is not just a tool, but also a powerful assistant that makes wood harvesting easier than ever. With its ability to quickly and accurately pick up wood, the machine optimizes every step in the consolidation process, saving time and effort for the operator. The power of the chainsaw, combined with the cutter's skill as they saw through the massive trunk, creates a perfect blend between man and machine. With each decisive cut, the carpenter continues to operate the saw meticulously, controlling the force applied. The tree is slowly cut down, step by step. This is a strong representation of the modern forestry spirit, where efficiency and safety are always prioritized.